In today's world, where every minute counts, learning a new language through traditional methods is becoming more challenging and less popular. Lots of websites say that you can learn a language super fast and without any hard work. They promise you will be like a pro in a few days without memorization, stress, and anxiety. So, that's why I want to talk about an unconventional way to learn a language. Everybody knows that meditation is all the rage these days. If you want to be rich, you should listen to meditation for attracting money. If you want to have a happy relationship, go and meditate about it. Even if you want to learn a language, you should start your day with meditation. I know meditation for language learning, it sounds crazy, but let's take a closer look at this. There are different ways to meditate by focusing on your breath, listening to music, visualizing yourself as a confident speaker. But does it really work? Let's discover how meditation can help you learn a language. And here, how it works. Instead of struggling through a mix of unfamiliar words, you will find that most of the words are repeated over and over again. This repetition helps move new words from your short term memory to long term memory quickly. Meditation can improve your mood and emotional state. If you're feeling stressed by learning a new language, meditation can help you calm down. The slow voice and peaceful music in meditation create a relaxing atmosphere that can help you overcome stress. Meditation can enhance your creativity, making it easier to express yourself in your target language. And it's a genuinely accepted fact that listening to the language you are learning improves your listening skills. So, meditation is a key to better learning, but let's talk about practical steps we can take. First of all, find a meditation that you can enjoy. You can explore meditation on the Headspace YouTube channel or Get Sleepy. I personally love Get Sleepy because it's perfect for nighttime listening when you just need to relax and absorb the sounds. During meditation, don't try to understand every single word. Just let yourself get used to the speaker's voice. Focus on how you feel instead. Try to repeat after the speaker. Don't worry about catching every phrase. Remember, relax and listen naturally. Pay attention to your feelings. Repeat when you can, and don't stress about missing some words. After meditation, you can write down all your thoughts in the language you're learning, or you can write down any unfamiliar words if you have a text of the meditation. This will help you reinforce what you learned. So, in general, the meditative method should be considered as a tool that can help you learn a language and make this process more conscious and effective. And give it a try. And of course, please share in the comments all your opinions. Do you believe that meditation can help you learn a language?